too. No, that one was a good ride. That was a good ride. Alright, so you got fuel?
Half a tank.
Half the tank? Oh, it'll make it. Still make it. Alright, so hopefully we can get there by 45. Oh, that was you that texted me. Alright.
The revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube family? The man that meant the ZXprdator here with an unreleased video that me and Revving to Riches are participating in. So I want to open off with saying Happy New Year. I guess this is my first upload of the new year, or did I do that already? I'm forgetful. I've been kind of out of rhythm for a minute, so bear with me. But Gio and I, this was something I was supposed to upload. For those of you who saw the Bay Harbor Harley Davidson video where Gio and I actually were doing a a bike review on our trip, I uploaded that segment but not the actual ride, so that was kind of like but that's on me, but like I was saying, in this new year I hope everybody has goals, achievable resolutions. You know, never put something that's too out of place. You know, like yeah, that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I have some plans for this season. Yeah, as you see, Gio's taking off. Yeah, his bike got some juice, you know. Can't sleep on that bike, so putting folks on notice. But I did want to make an adjustment to my cadence, so we're pulling up here, and we got some attention. So I'll let you hear that real quick.
You remember where you are?
Yeah, letting Gio know we're headed back to Bay Harbor.
On Moment Road, to the left. The helmet can't be so much attention, bro.
Let me tell you something, folks. I'm loving this camera. Like the Insta360, the GoPro Max. No, the Fusion is old tech, but man, there's nothing like these cameras. There's just nothing they don't catch. You know, so I highly suggest that, folks, if you're gonna have some fun and some smackdowns, you need to get yourself a 360 camera. But again, I have to adjust my cadence with videos because I found that I have a lot of unreleased stuff because I over-recorded and didn't have the time to upload like I used to. Like, what I would do is I would record, and then like in 72 hours I'll get the video up. But due to, you know, some changes, I was doing a lot of recording and then having to binge edit, and editing does take some time, you know. Even with some of the templates that I created to kind of slow the delay, like with time to talk, what you riding, and just other stuff. Like, it's just been somewhat challenging, especially with the new job and everything. So, well, I can't call it new, I'm in year 3 now, so, but yeah, a lot of things, a lot of changes, especially now with the military retirement is going to happen this year. Like, all the delays, you know, I'm doing it at you know, I'm in year 21, but I'm doing it medically. And, those of you who follow the channel knew about my back injury issue. I'm just going that route, like, I won't go into too much detail, but, I'm dealing with some legal, working with JAG to make sure that stuff is done correctly and in my favor. So, yeah, just a lot going on. Like today, I had to take a day off of work, hence why I'm able to produce this video. That's how busy it's been. And then I have duty tomorrow and Sunday, so it's more of a time thing. But where there's a will, there's a way. There's no excuses. Like, if you're gonna succeed, you just do it. You do it. There's no, oh, because of this and that. Like, you just gotta hunker down, get her done. End of story. But yeah, winter months for us is kind of rough because can't do anything, and I buried myself in work and projects and what have you. But we'll be coming back bigger, better, stronger than ever. I want to give a shout out to Mike. He's out in the West Coast or Midwest. Well, yeah, on the western side, he's going ahead and doing some great things. He's gonna come back with a well of knowledge, and I wish him all the best. He was my first entry of What You're Riding, and always a supporter of my channel. So I'm wishing you well out there, man. Learn everything you need to learn. Come back at Kawasaki Tech and crush the game. And whatever knowledge you get, make sure you share it. And knowledge is power, my friend. So you're gonna be doing some wonderful things. Shout out to Revving to Riches, Moto Mac, Eve, Fast Lane, Dude Mungus. The list goes on. I guess one of my resolutions for this year is I gotta get out to the meetups. I know Moto Mac invited me to a couple. It's just like logistically I just couldn't do it. But now, once I get the military chapter behind me, and I'm not married to being stuck on losing chunks of my summer, or I'll get my weekends back, and I'm gonna have that time because some good things are coming. I will get to at least one that's close. And I'd like Revving the Riches to come with me on one or two of them, and just as a first time getting out to one of those big meets, that'd be great. I gotta find a way to get a trailer or something. I gotta get down to Snake from our Discord, and I find that we're doing traveling is one thing, but people can come up to Jersey too. We got like some stuff out here, that we can get to, like where Bear Mountain, Hawks Nest, the list goes on. We have places to ride, hella twisties, some place for smackdowns and all that good stuff. So as we're pulling up here, even a scenic route, Gio and I came down to Sandy Hook, and I come here rather often, but this is one of the times that I actually had him follow me so I can show him where me and one of my good friends, wishing Chris a speedy recovery. She had to get some surgery done, but she's gonna come back bigger, badder than ever, so we sometimes ride down here with either together or with groups of friends and stuff. So hopefully, she'll be riding this season. She didn't ride at all last season, so we're gonna try to change that. But gonna have a good time, and I just want to say in general, I'm just blessed to make it to 2025. A lot of people are gone. Look at President Carter, rest in peace. A fun fact: when my mom was in university in Haiti, she was on a college field trip to Washington, D.C., and while she was carrying me, she actually met Carter while he was in the office, and I thought that was pretty actually, no, I'm mistaken. Before I was born, she got to meet the president, former president on the field trip, and I thought that was cool. And she always tell me that story. I'm like, man, my mom did something pretty cool. Mama predator. Even though sometimes we beef or whatever, but I still love my moms. So we're coming to the end of the video, but I'm gonna be putting some of the unreleased content up. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. A like goes a long way. Don't ask for much. Not looking for donations or anything like that, but it'll help with the YouTube algorithm. But this has been the man, the myth, the ZXprdator. Alright, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video without my yapping. Alright, it's gonna be some good stuff. I look forward to running with my night riders, my peoples. I get out to the track. Man, I tell you, and because monetarily things have been blessed to me, I gotta get to safety track. That's the only track I haven't been to yet, and I'm hearing nothing but great things. And at some point I'm gonna get there. Even some of the trips from Tail of the Dragon that were supposed to happen, and the pandemic went down, and had to put those plans on ice. But there's so many things I want to do. But I always say, piece of advice: take things in chunks. Don't say I'm gonna overload the clip and then realistically you can't do them all. Especially like I'm gonna take a vacation for the first time in a long time on my own without being on the military dollar. I've been to Europe, all different places in Europe, but I want to go like to Italy or Japan just for me, not because I'm on duty. And I think I owe it to myself, especially with a birthday coming up. It's a significant one at that, because I'm really getting up there in age, so but I'm only as old as I feel with that. So live your best life. 2025 is a time to be alive, and no stress, no issues. Like, I'm trying to avoid conflict and anything as best I can. If I still got some stuff to handle, but I'm not gonna go after or seek it. But some things have to be addressed at some point, in the riding community. But all that said, like I said, rate, comment, subscribe. A like goes a long way. It only takes like a point something to click it, and definitely will be seeing you out there on the road, And if ever you get down to Sandy Hook, you will enjoy it. There's a spot there, McFly on the Hook, a nice little spot that usually is my halfway point. I have lunch over there. I try to get there like twice a month on a Sunday. It feels like you're on another planet, man. I tell you, it's one of the greatest places to go. But the man, the myth, the ZXprdator. I'm done with my yapping. I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video with the music. Peace.
This music make me dance.
What were you listening to?
Drake.
Oh, okay, got you.
Freaking I hate that tire, bro.
It's kicking stuff up.
Behind you again over here with that tire.
Yeah, that's why. If you notice,
Carmine.
What's that?
I told Carmine, he didn't want to believe me.
No, that's why, if you notice, I was trying to go, if you're like on the left, I try to go to the right, you know? But
Yeah,
that tire won't be there forever. I still got the other one.
The first time, it was the same like with Carmine. The first time, we went through some construction things at Parkway. And he was trying to say, oh, it was the construction rocks. No, dude.
No, it's sticky.
It's that damn tire.
Yeah, once it gets hot, it's
When there's rocks,
debris.
dude, I was back here, look. I was back here with my bike.
It was still
And rocks were still coming up in the air, hitting me.
Yeah, that's why if I'm on the right, I try to keep you in my left. So
I was like, yo, I'm taking the other lane, man.
I got you. All right, folks.